Since the dawn of time, humanity has looked up to the stars, driven by a profound curiosity to explore the unknown. As the world emerged from the shadows of World War II, a new frontier beckoned, the vast expanse of space. In the race for supremacy, the United States found itself propelled into a challenge unlike any before, ignited by the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik in 1957. Amidst the fears of the Cold War, a vision was born, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. Established in 1958, this agency would lead the charge in America's quest to conquer the cosmos. From the first footsteps on the Moon to the ongoing exploration of Mars, the support for NASA has transcended politics, uniting a nation under the banner of discovery and innovation. In the aftermath of World War II, the United States found itself in a race against time and ideologies. The onset of the Cold War set the stage for a new frontier, space. The Soviet Union's successful launch of Sputnik in 1957 shocked the American public and government, marking the beginning of a space race that would captivate the nation and lead to unprecedented support for scientific exploration. On July 29, 1958, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, establishing NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The agency's mission was clear: to conduct civilian space exploration and research. This move was a direct response to the Soviet Union's advancements and was met with widespread public and political support as America sought to assert its technological prowess. The Apollo program, launched in 1961 under President John F. Kennedy's ambitious vision, aimed to land humans on the Moon by the end of the decade. Kennedy's famous speech at Rice University in 1962 encapsulated the spirit of the time: "We choose to go to the Moon. Not because it is easy, but because it is hard." This monumental goal galvanized support across the nation. The U.S. government allocated substantial funding, reaching nearly $25 billion by the program's end, as citizens rallied behind the dream of lunar exploration. The historic Apollo 11 mission in July 1969 saw Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin take their first steps on the Moon, a moment celebrated globally as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. However, the journey was not without its challenges. The tragic Apollo 1 fire in 1967, which claimed the lives of 3 astronauts, served as a stark reminder of the risks involved in space exploration. Yet, the U.S. government's unwavering commitment to NASA ensured continued investment in safety and technological advancements. With the Apollo program's success, the focus shifted to reusable spacecraft, leading to the development of the Space Shuttle program, initiated in the 1970s. The program aimed to make space travel more economical and accessible. The first shuttle, Columbia, launched in 1981, ushered in a new era of scientific research in space. NASA's collaboration with private companies and international partners began during this period, laying the groundwork for future endeavors. In the 1990s, NASA spearheaded the International Space Station (ISS) project, fostering international cooperation in space. This collaborative effort brought together countries like Russia, Japan, and Canada, showcasing a united front in scientific exploration. The ISS became a platform for groundbreaking research, further cementing NASA's role as a leader in global space initiatives. As the 21st century dawned, NASA set its sights on Mars and beyond. The Mars rover missions, particularly Curiosity and Perseverance, reignited public interest and support for space exploration. The U.S. government recognized the importance of STEM education and funding for NASA, ensuring a new generation of scientists and engineers would continue the legacy of exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025, paving the way for eventual Mars missions. The story of U.S. support for NASA is one of vision, courage, and collaboration. From its inception in the Cold War to its current missions exploring Mars, NASA has not only expanded humanity's understanding of the universe but also inspired generations to dream big. As we look toward the stars, the partnership between the government, private industry, and the public remains crucial for the next chapter in space exploration. As we look to the heavens, we are reminded that NASA's journey is far from over. From the pioneering spirit of the Apollo missions to the intricate dance of satellites, rovers, and telescopes that explore our solar system today, NASA has continued to push the boundaries of what we know, and what we dream. The United States' unwavering support for NASA has enabled humankind to reach heights once thought unimaginable. But the true legacy of this partnership is not measured by the number of missions or discoveries alone. It is found in the inspiration it sparks within each of us, the sense of wonder, possibility, and a reminder that we are all part of something much greater. As we prepare to return to the moon and set our sights on Mars, the story of space exploration continues, fueled by innovation, determination, and a shared belief in a brighter future. The stars may seem distant, but with NASA leading the way, they are within our reach. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The final frontier is only just beginning.